So following on from the previous video, we were trying to work out the volume of this thing here as you rotate it along the y-axis. So when you rotate it, it will give you something like this. We were trying to work out the volume of this. So so far we have two ways of doing it. We could sum it up like this. So when you look at this particular disk here, the thickness here would be dy here. So we would somehow work out. So the one method would be us working out. One method would be us summing up all the disks here. Okay, so this is one method. One method would be us summing up all the disks. So somehow work out pi r squared, and then dy integrate it from 0 to a, from 0 to a, and then another way of working it out is for us to do it like this. Okay, and then but when you look at this one particular cylinder here, when you rotate it around here, oops, when you rotate it around here, oops, when you rotate it around here, this cylinder will look like this. Okay, hang on. So the one method would be us summing up all the disks. So one method would be us summing up all the disks, and then this method here would be us summing up all these cylinders, looking like this. But the thing is, this here is called a disk. Okay, this here is called a shell. So when you read in textbooks, they will probably refer to this method as integrating using the shell method, and this here would be the disk. Sometimes we've seen that sometimes you can get a disk with a hole in the middle, and then so sometimes you would get a disk here, but with a hole in the middle. With a hole in the middle. So this here would be you would refer to this as a washer. Okay, so this here would be a disk, shell, washer. So sometimes the disk method is a lot easier and useful. Sometimes the shell method is better. Sometimes you can only integrate by using the shell, and so on. They all have their advantages and disadvantages. Okay.